Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo on how to easily airdrop tokens to multiple recipients on Stellar. Go to tokentool.bitbond.com and select Stellar from the drop-down menu. Next, connect your wallet. Click Distribute Token and select the token or simply paste the address of the token you wish to airdrop. Then, upload or paste the recipients' Stellar addresses along with the amount to be sent, separated by a comma. Click Continue. Review the details, click Approve and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Now, accept the terms and conditions, and then click Send. Finally, confirm a second transaction in your wallet to complete the airdrop. And that's it. You've just learned how to easily airdrop tokens on Stellar. Bitbond Token Tool, tokens made easy.